Hi, this video shows how the Aetertek AT training system works. Please note that this system can be used to control either one or two dogs. I will demonstrate how to use the two-dog system, but the basics for both types will be covered. The two systems work similarly. For the first 3 times charging the receivers, make sure that you charge them for 8 hours, regardless of what they tell you. So here we have the two fully charged receivers. You can tell with this one because both the red and blue lights are solid. The lights go off once the receivers are unplugged. The remote has a built-in rechargeable battery, so you only have to charge it when the power is depleted. There are 6 buttons on the remote. The transmit one is in the middle, and this is the power/shock button. The arrow buttons, the menu/vibrate one, and the enter/ultrasonic one. To turn on the remote, press the power button. It's crucial that we match the receivers to the remote. To do this for the first receiver, we need to press and hold the menu key until the dog icons flash on the screen, and then press an arrow key until only the first dog appears. Then press the enter button to select it. To turn on the first receiver, we will have to press and hold the power button on the front. Wait for the red light before you release. Next, we press the transmit button on the remote. As you can see, the blue light on the receiver lights up for a few seconds. This indicates that it is matched. One thing I must emphasize here is that when you are matching the receivers with the remote and when you are operating callers, please allow at least a half-meter space between the remote and the receivers. Pressing and holding the menu button until the dog icon on the screen flashes, then pressing the enter key, and then an arrow button will allow us to switch to the second receiver. At this point, we should press the enter button to select it. You can now turn on the other receiver and match it just like you matched the first one. After matching the receivers to the remote, we can switch back to the first receiver. If we reselect the first receiver and press the menu button once more, we can go into the programming mode for vibration. The arrow keys will change the intensity level for the vibration of the first receiver. Let's say we wanted to change the vibration level to 3. One more press of the menu button will lead you to the ultrasound programming, followed by the shock programming, and ending with the automatic anti-barking setting. Basically, this is where we change the intensity levels for the various functions. The function which is flashing on the bottom is the one you are programming. You may be interested to know that you can choose never to shock your dog by programming the shock function to 0. This also applies to all the other functions. In fact, the automatic anti-bark function only has 2 levels, 0 and 1. 1 means that it's on, and 0 means that it isn't. Now you can program the second receiver in the same way, or you can program both receivers at the same time by switching modes until both dog icons are selected. To leave programming mode, we press enter. We have completed the programming. Now, you can wear the collar on the dogs and select the dog you want to control. Then press the transmit button to give the dog a combination of stimuli. Or you can press the shock, vibration, and ultrasonic button individually. The test light is used to test the shock function. We simply put it on the receiver and press the shock button on the top right. You can turn off the receiver either by pressing and holding the power button on the front of the receiver or the transmit button on the remote until the lights flash. The remote will go into sleep mode automatically after 1 minute of inactivity. Thanks for watching. I hope you're satisfied with your product.